Hello friends. So today I am going to discuss a very one of the most important topic of general organic chemistry, that is how we can draw the resonating structures of organic and inorganic compounds. So I'm not going to the theory part of the resonating structures, what is the resonance and how we can draw the resonating structures. I'm just going to how you can draw the resonating structures of the organic compounds and inorganic compounds. So let me told you some fundamental concepts by which you can draw the resonating structures. So the first is, suppose you have A double bond B single bond C and charge. It may be plus or negative. So A double bond B single bond C, and second one is A double bond B single bond C lone pair, and third one is A double bond B single bond C double bond D. These are the frequent cases where we have to draw the resonating structures in organic compounds. So let me take one examples so that the idea will get clear to you. So first I am going to take phenol. 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 It is known the phenol is a acidic compound. So when it undergo the basic medium, so the proton of this H proton will be get fired, and what will remain? O minus. This is the lone pair on the oxygen atom. So this is the benzene ring, and this is the resonating circles which represents the pi bonds are moving. It is nothing but this, and this is be converted into this form. So let me show you. This will be your compound, remaining compound. Now you have this lone pair single pi, double pi bond. So resonating structures are can be separated by this sign. So what? No, the moment of electrons will be from the electrons to the pi bond, because the electronegativity, or you can say that the electron affinity of the lone pair, this is greater than the pi electrons. So pi electrons will be moved in this manner and this. So what will came out? This pi bond shifted toward this side and charge will be shifted in this. This will be the lone pair. So again this charge can move lone pair, single, double. This will give you this pi bond shifted here and charge will came out here. And again this charge single, double. It is very easy when you understand the entire concept, how you can draw the resonating structures. It will be very enjoyable for you. This is. And again, this lone pair attacks on pi bond of oxygen atom, and it will result in this form. The initially the orientation of pi bonds in this manner, and in the last we get the orientation of pi bonds in this manner. So this is the moment of pi bonds in the benzene ring, you can see. So these are the RS, resonating structures. So these are the temporary structures of the dynamic structures of this compound. So they are very unstable compounds structures. So the energy of these structures will be very high. So the phenol. So how we can write down the resonance hybrid? In resonance hybrid, RH, you can shown out the moment of electrons. So that will be nothing but your, this is O, your negative charges moving in this manner. Is it right? So it is all about the resonating structure. How you can draw the resonating structure. So what will came out? A double bond B single bond lone pair. Sorry, A double bond B single bond C charge. So it will be A minus charge, A negative, B double bond C. This is the case of charge, negative charge. Here the negative charge acting as a lone pair as well. So that will no way to confuse it. So let me show you another example. For another example, I am going to take aniline. Aniline also a very good compound. This is the aniline compound. NH2 plus meta directing group, which is very no meta directing group. It is a highly activator mesomeric group. It shows the mesomeric effect on the ortho and para positions of this benzene ring. So it can be also written as in this way. Is it right? So when you are going to draw the resonating structure where lone pair and pi bonds are involved, so this is the form. And resonating structure, this lone pair is moved toward the pi bond, and what will come out, there will be negative charge, single bond B, double bond C. When a lone pair breaks, it will generate a positive ion and a negative ion. That means an ion and one cation. So to idea behind to construct these concepts, to understand what is going to happen in aniline. So let us suppose this is your lone pair. Not suppose, it is really your lone pair. So when lone pair is approaches to this pi bond, this is lone pair single double. So the resonating structures will be came out this NH2 and this lone pair again this negative charge. It is very similar to phenol. This and this lone pair negative charge act on this pi bond. It will give you this NH2 positive, this, and this will attack on this positive. Here also you can see the orientation of pi bonds are changed. There are 5 resonating structures, 5 Is. So this is all about the how you can draw the resonating structures. So is it quite fine? Let me take one inorganic compound where you can draw how you can draw the resonating structure of inorganic compound. I am going to take a very famous example of sulfur trioxide. The structure of this molecule, this, according to BBT theory, valence bond theory. So there are lone pairs. These are the lone pairs. These are the lone pairs. As these are the pi bonds. So to draw the resonating structures, here pi bond is also available and sigma bond is also available. This is pi, this is sigma, and this is pi, this is sigma, and this is pi sigma. So how you can draw the structure? Let us suppose this lone pair try to make resonating structure. So what will be lone pair sigma pi? Okay. So what will be came out? This will be triple bond O positive and this will be O negative in this way. Although the very electronegative atom like oxygen are not able to hold the positive charge, but it is possible when the octet of this oxygen atom is get fulfilled by its electron outermost electrons, then it is able to hold the positive charge in these situations. So it is all about the resonating structure. It is one of the most important topic for the general organic chemistry, and you have to know about how you can draw the resonating structures in JEE main, in all the state exams, engineering exams,